hope you're fine and healthy at home. I know very well that you are missing your school, your teachers, and your friends a lot. But don't worry, soon this miserable pandemic situation will over and we will meet again. Students, today we are going to study a very interesting poem from your English book, the poem number 3, Daffodils, written by William Wordsworth. Student, this is very interesting as well as very famous poem written by William Wordsworth. When it was first written, its title was different. Its title was I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. But now it has given under the different title and now its title is Daffodil. Students, do you know what is mean by daffodil? Daffodils are yellow colored flowers. Student, I would like to share with you the background first. At first, I would like to share with you the background of the poem. So what happens once the poet William Wordsworth went to meet his friend with his sister Dorothy. When they were returning after meeting his friend, so they saw a large number of daffodil flowers along a bank of a lake. They saw a large number of flowers grown along the bank of a lake. The poet got mesmerized. The sight was very beautiful and Wordsworth was known for his nature love. He was a nature lover. So, when they were returning, they saw a large number of daffodil flowers and the sight was very beautiful. So, the poet got mesmerized with the sight and he got inspired to write a poem to appreciate the beauty of those flowers. So, as he has written the poem to appreciate the beauty of the flowers, now I would like to explain the poem line by line. So, I request you all to open your book, to open your poem number 3, Daffodils, and read it along with me line by line. The poet says, in the first stanza of the poem, the poet says, I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over wells and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. The poet says, when I was walking aimlessly, wandered it means walking aimlessly. As a cloud, he compares himself as a cloud. The poet says, like a cloud, when I was walking aimlessly, a cloud that floats over the hills or valleys. A cloud जो कि कहाँ flow करता है? Over the hills or valley. Float it means move slowly. Okay. So I was walking aimlessly like a cloud that flows over the wells. Wells it means valley and hills. When all at once, suddenly, all at once it means suddenly, I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils. So suddenly I saw a large number of, a crowd or a host means a large number of golden daffodils. Beside the lake, the poet says, I saw a large number of, a crowd of, a host of golden daffodil beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. When I saw the golden, generally the flowers are in yellow color, but here the poet wants to add a unearthly beauty to daffodils. That is why he has added the adjective golden instead of yellow. So, the poet says, suddenly I saw a large number of daffodil flowers beside the lake, beneath the trees. fluttering and dancing in the breeze. And the poet says, when I saw them, they were fluttering. Fluttering is, it means flying or moving lightly and dancing in the breeze. आपने भी देखा होगा कि जब ब्रीज, इट मीन्स जब हल्की हल्की हवा चलती है तो कैसे पेड़ पौधे फ्लटर करते हैं, मूव करते हैं, है ना? They fly, they move lightly. So the poet says in the first stanza, the poet says, when I was walking aimlessly, जब मैं घूम रहा था, like a cloud, कहाँ? Over the valleys and hills, I saw suddenly I saw a large number of daffodils, a large number of yellow colored daffodil flowers. Here the poet has added the adjective golden. So जब मैं aimlessly walk कर रहा था, मैंने क्या देखा? मैंने देखा बहुत सारे golden daffodils beside the lake. कहाँ देखा? Beside the lake, beneath the trees. And the poet says, जब मैंने उन्हें देखा, they were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. वो flutter कर रहे थे and they were also dancing in the breeze.